In a bustling city, Junaid, a passionate and talented chef, worked tirelessly in a small, dimly lit kitchen. He had always dreamed of creating something extraordinary, something that would leave a mark on the culinary world. Junaid's specialty was French fries, crispy, golden, and bursting with flavor. One evening, as he experimented with various seasonings and techniques, he stumbled upon a perfect recipe. The fries were not just good, they were extraordinary. Encouraged by his friends and family, Junaid decided to take a leap of faith. He quit his job and set up a small food cart, naming it Golden Crunch. The beginning was tough. Junaid faced harsh weather, competition, and financial struggles. However, his unwavering determination and the unparalleled taste of his fries started attracting attention. Word spread quickly, and soon, people were lining up to taste the magic of Golden Crunch. With the money he saved, Junaid opened a small restaurant. He hired a team, trained them meticulously, and expanded the menu. The restaurant's unique ambiance, combined with Junaid's culinary skills, turned it into a local sensation. As the brand grew, Junaid never compromised on quality. He sourced the best potatoes, used top-notch oils, and always added a personal touch. He introduced innovative flavors and dipping sauces, keeping the customers excited and coming back for more. Golden Crunch started appearing in food festivals and competitions. Junaid's fries won numerous awards, and the media began to take notice. Interviews, magazine features, and TV appearances followed, and Junaid became a beloved figure in the culinary world. Realizing the potential for growth, Junaid ventured into franchising. He meticulously selected partners who shared his vision and commitment to quality. Golden Crunch outlets started popping up in different cities, each maintaining the same high standards that Junaid had set. The brand's fame spread internationally. From New York to Tokyo, people craved the crispy delight of Golden Crunch. Junaid traveled the world, overseeing new openings, training staff, and ensuring that the essence of his brand remained intact. Years passed, and Golden Crunch became a global phenomenon. It wasn't just a place to eat fries, it was a cultural experience. Junaid's journey from a small kitchen to the world stage inspired countless aspiring chefs. Despite his fame and success, Junaid remained humble. He continued to innovate, always searching for the next big flavor. He never forgot his roots and often reminisced about the early days with his loyal customers and friends. Junaid's story became a testament to passion, perseverance, and the belief that with hard work and dedication, even the most humble beginnings could lead to world-renowned success. And so, Junaid, the Golden Chef, lived his dream, bringing joy to millions through his extraordinary French fries and inspiring a generation of chefs to follow their passion. Please like and subscribe my channel.